Okay, students, you were studying about haloarenes. You studied some methods of preparation of haloarenes and physical properties of haloarenes. Now, we will study chemical properties of haloarenes. So, like haloalkanes, haloarenes also undergo three types of chemical reactions. They are, first one, nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. Second one is electrophilic substitution reactions, whereas haloalkanes undergo elimination reactions. These haloarenes undergo electrophilic substitution reactions, and the third is reaction with metals. So first, nucleophilic substitution reactions. Haloarenes are extremely less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. They do not undergo easily nucleophilic substitution reactions. What are the reasons for their less reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reactions? The reasons for less reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reactions is very important for exam. The reasons are, first one is resonance effect. Resonance effect. See, in haloarenes, say for example, let us consider chlorobenzene. In haloarenes, the carbon halogen, the halogen atom carries lone pair of electrons. These lone pair of electrons on halogen atom, the lone pair of electrons, this chlorine, for example, chlorine carries has three lone pair of electrons, because here it contains 7 valence electrons. So out of which one is involved in bonding, 3 lone pairs are there. So the lone pair of electrons on halogen atom they are in conjugation with the pi electrons of the benzene ring. Conjugation means in alternate positions. So they are delocalized. The lone pair of electrons on halogen atom are delocalized with the pi electrons of the benzene ring. Hence, they undergo resonance. So let us write the resonance structures of chlorobenzene. The lone pair of electrons are involved in delocalization. So this pi bond, when this lone pair come here, it forms double bond. Now this pi bond is delocalized to this carbon. So this carbon carries lone pair now. So this chlorine is giving electrons, therefore it carries positive charge. This becomes double bond. This carbon becomes negatively charged. Negatively charged means it contains 2 electrons. So these 2 double bonds are as it is. Next, again the extension of delocalization takes place. These electrons are delocalized here, and these 5 electrons are delocalized to this carbon. So the next resonance structure is, this is Cl. Now 2 lone pairs are remaining in Cl. This is positive because it has given electrons. This is now double bond. This becomes negative, that is lone pair of electrons are there here. Next, again delocalization, because here lone pair and this pi bond are in conjugation, that is alternate position. So the next resonance structure is this double bond Cl plus this is double bond. This becomes double bond now, and this is negatively charged. Next, again these electrons delocalization. So chlorine becomes neutral now. As the first structure, we get the same structure like first one. So aromaticity will complete here. Again, chlorine carries 3 lone pairs. So these are the resonance structures of chlorobenzene. So due to delocalization, that is due to resonance, the CCl bond acquires a partial double bond character. That means double bond means it becomes CCl bond becomes strong. Therefore, it is the cleavage of this CCl bond becomes difficult. Therefore, the nucleophile cannot easily attack this carbon atom. Therefore, these haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is the first reason is resonance effect. The second effect is hybridization of carbon atom containing halogen atom to which the halogen atom is attached. That is the hybridization of carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. So what is the second reason? Hybridization of carbon atom to which halogen is attached. Here let us consider one halo. This is haloarene. Here this carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached is sp2 hybridized because it contains 3 sigma bonds. It is sp2 hybridized. If we consider haloalkanes, here carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. So here in sp2 hybridization means more s character compared to sp3. Here this has more s character. As we know, more the s character, higher the s character, higher the electronegativity. Therefore, the carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached, in haloarenes this carbon atom is more electronegative than in haloalkanes. So more electronegativity means it holds the bonded electrons, that is CX bonded electrons tightly. Therefore, this CX bond length decreases. So as we know, shorter the bond length, higher is that is stronger is the bond. Therefore, the cleavage of this bond becomes difficult. Therefore, the reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reactions, the reactivity of haloarenes decreases. Therefore, haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So, here CCl bond, if we consider chlorobenzene or any this, if we consider X as Cl, CCl bond length in haloarenes is 169 picometer, whereas CCl bond length in haloalkanes it is 177 picometer. So here in haloarenes bond is short, therefore it is strong and its cleavage is difficult. Therefore it is the haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. The next reason is instability. Instability of phenyl cation. Phenyl cation. Say haloarenes. They undergo dissociation, they undergo self-ionization, dissociation to form phenyl carbocation. That is, this carbon carries positive charge, phenyl carbocation plus halide ion. This phenyl carbocation, this cannot be stabilized by resonance. This cannot undergo resonance because here this carbon do not carry electrons. So for the resonance to happen, there should be electrons, lone pair of electrons and pi electrons in alternate positions. Here this carbon carries positive charge, that means this carbon is electron deficient. Therefore it is the resonance cannot take place. Therefore, this cannot be stabilized by resonance. Therefore, it is less stable. It is very less stable. Phenyl carbocation is very less stable. Lesser the stability of this cation, if the product formed is less stable, the reactivity of this will be very less. Therefore, this is haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. That means lesser the stability of carbocation formed here, it cannot undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction by SN1 mechanism. However, by SN2 mechanism, it cannot undergo reaction because this carbon atom already is sp3 hybridized. The nucleophile cannot attack from the opposite side, back side. Therefore, here by SN1 mechanism also this haloarenes cannot undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction because this phenyl carbocation is very less stable. It is highly unstable. So the last reason, the fourth reason is high electron density on benzene. High electron density on benzene. See, in haloarenes, if we write the resonance structures, by writing the resonance structures, we see that these carbon atoms of the benzene ring, they are electron rich. They carry negative charge. They contain electrons. That means they are electron rich. See, the nucleophile can attack the electron deficient. Nucleophile is electron rich. It cannot attack the electron rich centers. It attacks the electron deficient centers. Since the carbon atoms in haloarenes, the carbon atoms of the benzene ring in haloarenes are electron rich, the nucleophile cannot attack this carbon atoms of the haloarenes. Hence, the nucleophilic substitution reaction is very less reactivity. Haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. So these are the reasons for the less reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. If we compare haloalkanes and haloarenes are extremely less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Some of the let us now consider the examples of nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Some of the examples of nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Examples of nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. First example is with aqueous NaOH. Let us consider the haloarene chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene when heated with aqueous NaOH at to a temperature of 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere, and this product formed on acidification, followed by acidification, phenol is formed. When chlorobenzene is heated with aqueous NaOH to 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere, followed by acidification, the phenol is formed. This nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place to form phenol. Now, if we consider another haloarene, let us consider now one more example. Cl. Now, I will attach one nitro group here. This is para-chloronitrobenzene if we consider. This also undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction when heated with aqueous NaOH. Here, the reaction takes place at lesser temperature. That means milder conditions, at lesser temperature itself the reaction takes place. This reaction takes place at a temperature of 443 Kelvin followed by acidification, the para-nitrophenol is formed here. So the product here, para-nitrophenol. Product is formed at lesser temperature here. Now let us consider one more example where this is Cl, NO2, NO2. Here two nitro groups are attached. Here one nitro group is attached in para position. Here two nitro groups are attached in ortho and para position. So this reaction on heating with aqueous NaOH, the reaction takes place at still lower temperature. That is, the reaction takes place at 368 Kelvin temperature. This followed by acidification gives 2,4 dinitrophenol is formed here. This reaction takes place at lesser temperature. One more example let us consider. Here three nitro groups are present in chlorobenzene. To chlorobenzene, three nitro groups are attached. Here the two in ortho position and one in para position. Here the nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place just by heating with water. Just by warming with water. No heating also is required. Just warming with water, the nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place to form the product. Here is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, which is commonly called as picric acid. The common name of this is picric acid. Picric acid is obtained. This reaction takes place, that means here the reaction takes place at very milder condition. So from these reactions what we understand, see this the presence of this nitro group is electron withdrawing group. It withdraws electrons from the benzene ring. Therefore, when it withdraws electrons from the benzene ring, the carbon carries positive charge. Carbon carries positive charge means this carbon becomes electron deficient, hence the nucleophile can easily attack this carbon, hence the nucleophilic substitution reaction can take place faster. Readily the nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place. Therefore, the presence of electron withdrawing groups in ortho and para positions increases the reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now, higher the number of electron withdrawing groups in ortho and para positions, higher will be the reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. That means if more number of electron withdrawing groups are present in ortho and para positions, then the haloarenes undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction at milder conditions, because higher will be the reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction.